Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to create cutout stroke in the CapCut apps. So open your CapCut apps and tap on your project, select your video that you want to edit. For example, I already have one video here, and to create a cutout stroke, you can click on the clip and then you can click cutout and select the remove background. So you can find the cutout stroke, just click on it and select for the mode of stroke. Okay, you can adjust for the color of the stroke. And then you can adjust for the size of the stroke and the opacity. And after you are done, just click check mark. So that's it. So it's easy, right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.